thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 10:30 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from New Williamston to near Gregory, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pinckney around 10 p.m. Howell and Brighton around 10:10 p.m. Heartland around 10:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Pinckney, Brighton, Howell, Heartland, Fowlerville, Oak Grove, Hamburg, Gregory, Whitmore Lake, and Cohocton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Livingston, Michigan.
Oh.